Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your hair, particularly individual faux locks. That's actually what I have on right now. I just thought it fitting to do a hair tutorial to help if you want to add that skill to your arsenal. I've actually been doing my hair for the past 3 years, since 2017. Here are some of the styles that I've had, and it has saved me so much money. Just, being a college student, being on a particular budget, it was just so much better for me to learn how to do it, and it's a great skill to have because, times like this, I can just change hairstyles anytime that I want. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I try to make this as fast as possible, so I really just went to the point. So you just section out your hair and go ahead and 3-strand braid it. Then you get your crochet hair and you grab it by the circle at the top of it. Then you get your crochet needle, put your crochet needle underneath your hair, then loop it onto the circle on top of the crochet hair. Then you drag it underneath the root of your hair. Then you just grab your crochet hair and your braid, which is your own hair, and grab it through the circle of the individual crochet hair. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then I am going to grab my crochet needle, take it through the crochet hair, make sure it gets to the roots. Then you push it through. Then you loop your hair, the end of your hair, through your crochet hair. Make sure it's tucked in underneath. So I just went ahead and I finished the last braid, and we're done.